Behind the shocking arrest, what awaits the cryptocurrency market? And will the mini apps on Telegram survive? Can you seize this opportunity to profit? And how did Elon Musk respond to this issue? Today, we'll explore the latest information on the arrest of Pavel Durov, the debate over freedom of speech, and the impact of this event on toncoin and the entire cryptocurrency industry. Pavel Durov, the founder of Telegram and a symbol in the tech world, has always been a pioneer in combining innovative solutions with cryptocurrency. With each of his moves, not only Telegram but the wider cryptocurrency ecosystem feels the impact. And his arrest in France on August 24 has raised concerns not only for the future of Telegram but also for the entire crypto market. Hello, welcome to the MMO Crypto channel. And in this video, we'll dive into the details of this case, from the background of the arrest to the impact on the Ton blockchain and the reactions of prominent figures in the tech industry. Follow along until the end of the video so you don't miss any details. Who is Pavel Durov? Pavel Durov is not only a talented programmer but also a visionary Russian entrepreneur. He is the man behind two major platforms, vKontakte and the Telegram messaging app. According to Forbes, Durov's fortune is estimated at around $15.5 billion, putting him among the richest people in the world. In 2006, he founded vKontakte, a social network similar to Facebook for Russian-speaking users. However, in 2014, he decided to leave Russia and sell his shares after refusing the government's request to provide user data. This decisive action allowed him to focus fully on Telegram, a messaging app he founded in 2013, known for its privacy and security. The development of the Ton blockchain and toncoin. As Telegram became more popular, Durov expanded by developing the Ton blockchain in 2018. Marking a significant step in integrating blockchain features into Telegram's ecosystem. Along with it, toncoin, a cryptocurrency based on this blockchain, was launched. It is widely used in decentralized applications, digital wallets, and transactions within the blockchain system. With its fast transaction speed and scalability, toncoin is seen as a promising candidate for global payment systems. Although Telegram officially ceased Ton's development, independent developers continued the project. In particular, in March 2024, Telegram announced the integration of toncoin into the platform and pledged to share 50% of ad revenue with channel owners in the form of toncoin. This sparked immense interest, quickly propelling toncoin into the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization, surpassing established coins like Cardano and Shiba Inu. The ease of transferring toncoin instantly and free of charge within Telegram also attracted a large user base. The shock of Durov's arrest and its impact on toncoin. On August 24, the arrest of Durov at Le Bourget airport in France sent shockwaves around the world. According to reports, the main reason was Durov's refusal to cooperate with French law enforcement, amid concerns that Telegram was being misused for illegal activities. Telegram's privacy policy has raised worries among several governments, and Durov's arrest reflects the growing pressure on tech platforms to comply with laws. The news of his arrest not only caused a stir in the Telegram user community but also significantly lowered the value of toncoin and Notcoin, a prominent mini-app on the platform. Notcoin's price dropped by up to 33% immediately after the arrest was announced, worrying investors. The charges and potential penalty for Pavel Durov. Durov currently faces multiple allegations related to Telegram's misuse by malicious individuals. If convicted, he could face a prison sentence of up to 20 years. However, Durov's lawyers argue that these allegations are unfounded, stating that he cannot be held responsible for the actions of millions of users worldwide. This case, if it ends unfavorably, could set a serious precedent for tech founders globally. Support from the community and influential figures. Shortly after the arrest was made public, Ton developers expressed their support for Durov and affirmed that the project would continue as usual. Furthermore, Elon Musk, a prominent advocate for free speech, also voiced his opposition to the incident. In a tweet, Musk warned about the negative implications of the arrest for free speech and the independence of tech platforms. Journalist Tucker Carlson also expressed concern, calling the event a sign of dictatorship. Carlson even suggested that US politicians might have pressured France to arrest Durov. This shows that the event is not only a national issue but could also be a power struggle between major countries. The future of toncoin and the cryptocurrency ecosystem. After the arrest, Telegram quickly reassured the public that all operations would continue as normal and expressed confidence that Durov would soon be released. Many experts see the decline in toncoin and not coin as a temporary market reaction. And some investors even see this as an opportunity to buy in, taking advantage of price volatility to make a profit. Despite the recent volatility, toncoin remains a promising asset and may recover as the market stabilizes. DUROV'S arrest may also prompt the community to recognize the value of privacy in the digital world and the importance of decentralized platforms. The arrest of Pavel Durov marks a dramatic new chapter in the story of free speech and government control over technology. Will toncoin recover and continue to grow? Could this case set a precedent for other tech entrepreneurs? Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay updated with the latest news. And share your thoughts in the comments. Every opinion matters.